Hi, here's the coordinate plane. It is divided into 4 parts. Here's a part, here's a part, here is a part, and here is a part. 4 parts. Each part is called a quadrant. The quadrants are numbered like this with Roman numerals. 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So if you start here, it makes a C like this. Start at 1 and go 1, 2, 3, 4. In this quadrant, x is positive and y is positive too. So if I had a point in here, both numbers x and y would be positive. This point is 3, 4. Both positive. If you're in quadrant 2, x is negative, but y is positive. So in quadrant 2, I have negative and positive. In quadrant 3, x is negative and y is negative. Both numbers are negative. And in quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Positive x and a negative y. Let's look at some examples of these 4 quadrants. Which quadrant contains the point -3, 2? Contiene. Which quadrant contains -3, 2? Well, here's x is -3. So here's x here. So x is -3 and y is positive 2. So there's the point in quadrant 2, and there's the point -3, 2 right there. Which quadrant contains 5, -3? Contains is contiene. Which quadrant contains 5, -3? First is x. X is 5, -1, -2, -3. It's right here. So we can see that as quadrant 4. You try this one. Which quadrant contains -1, 4? -1, 4. It's quadrant 2. Which quadrant contains 1, 4? Where would that point be? X is 1, y is 4. So this will be in quadrant 1. Which quadrant contains -4, -2? And remember, when both numbers are negative, we know it has to be down here in quadrant 3. And let's find that point. It's right here. -4, -2. -4, -2 is that point in quadrant 3. And finally, which quadrant contains the point 4, -1? X is 4, -1. We can see that will be in quadrant 4. And there is that point. That's everything for today, just identifying the quadrants on the coordinate plane. You have some practice in IXL right down here. Thank you.